Hi everybody, my name is Jimmy and I'm here at MJ Hair USA, and today we're going to be working on our model Stacy. Stacy, come over here. She's really beautiful and she has amazing hair. You have a seat, Stacy, right here. And today we're using our new product. Our new product is MJ Hair USA 27 protein, 0 formaldehyde. So stay tuned. So our first step for using the 0 formaldehyde 27 protein is doing 2 shampoos of the MJ Hair USA sulfate and paraben free shampoo. Some gloves first. And then from here, we really want to blow dry the hair about 70% dry before you start applying the product. So as we use the 27 protein 0 formaldehyde, when your product comes in, you really want to shake the product really good, because you know all this stuff like probably is down here, up here, it's uneven, so you really want to shake the product really good to distribute it evenly before you use. So we really don't need that much. We kind of want to just eyeball it into maybe, probably about that much. That's pretty good. So we sectioned Daisy's hair into 4, and you still see I haven't brushed the hair out. It's just 70% dry. The product is gonna smooth the hair out for me so we don't have to detangle it. So we're gonna take inch section and go up. And you see that I still haven't brushed the hair out because the product is gonna do that for me. We're gonna go in an inch away from the scalp. So here, and just apply the product right there. Maybe drag it down a little bit. And then with your comb, you're gonna come in and drag the product all the way down to the ends. And that's all the product you need. Whatever's left over, you don't need. So whatever's in the hair, this is all you need. And then just drop the product down and put the rest in the bowl. So we're done applying Stacy's product from roots to ends. As you can see, it's very shiny and sleek. So we are leaving this product, the MJ Hair 27 protein, no formaldehyde, in for 45 minutes. So from here, we're gonna go to the shampoo bowl and we're gonna rinse the hair out. And you really wanna rinse the hair out. With her hair texture, for the product, it says 50 to 70%. She has like medium texture, not that coarse, a little bit of frizz. So we're gonna do 50%. Yeah, so right now, what we're gonna do is rinse the hair 50%. No shampoo, no conditioner. We're gonna rinse this out and then we're gonna take her back to the station. So after we rinsed it 50%, we are gonna comb the hair out and we are gonna dry the hair now 100%. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in and we're gonna flat iron the hair. So we're gonna flat iron the hair from root to end 12 times at 470 with the MJ Hair USA flat iron, and that is from roots to ends 12 times each section. Okay. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we're done with the hair. Look how shiny and beautiful the hair is. It has a lot of bounce and movement, and the product is not heavy. It still looks like hair and it moves like hair. As you can see, it's fluffy and airy, and there's no weight, there's no grease, and it's straight.